All right, so for practice problem number 2, let's see how you did. First up, what are we multiplying by? There's only one digit here, so we should be multiplying by 10. We're going to go through and change all these decimals and get rid of them. So 0.6 becomes 6. 1 becomes 10. 1K becomes 10K. 0.1 becomes 1. If that confused you, if I have a 1, the decimal point is here. So if I move it over, I have to have a place filler. That's why 1 becomes 10. This K has a 1 in front of it. So if I take this decimal and move it over, it's now 10. If I move this over, I need a place value. So it's 1.0 or just 1. So here's our new equation with no decimals. Now, I have some combined, like terms I need to combine. So 10 plus 1 is 11. And then I still have 10K. I need this K to be by itself, so I'm going to get rid of this 11 by doing the opposite. So now I have negative 5 equals 10K. I still need to get that K by itself. I'm going to isolate it by dividing to get rid of that 10. So I'm left with K equals negative 5/10. That's negative 1/2. As a decimal, that's negative 0.5. So K equals negative 0.5. You could put any of those answers. Well, you could have negative 1/2 or negative 0.5, but since this is a decimals lesson, we're going to keep it as a decimal. On the next slide, we are going to do the check. Make sure you check it by yourself first, then see if you did it correctly. All right, so I lied last time. We're supposed to put the answer right here to remind yourself of what it was. So now I'm going to rewrite my original equation, but instead of K's, I'm first going to put parentheses, and then I'm going to plug in my answer in its place. So I only have 1K, and in its place I'm putting negative 5/10. Now I'm just going to do the math. So this side stays the same, bring it down. On this side, I'm going to combine my positives. So I have positive 1.1, and then I'm subtracting 0.5. Bring down my 0.6. 1.1 minus 0.5 is 0.6. It checks out. I have the same thing on both sides. That is it. One more practice problem.